you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink. Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.